In this video, I will show you how to set up price tracking for Walmart with PriceLasso, how to get price drop alerts, and then view price history. This way, you'll make sure to never miss Walmart sales. To start price tracking, just sign up for free with PriceLasso. Add our extension to the browser, then go to any Walmart product page. You'll see a green button appear, and as soon as you click it, you'll create a price alert. Then you can go to your dashboard and see all of your price alerts. You can modify the price that you get alerted at, and you can also see price history. And you can see how much prices fluctuate for products. PriceLasso also lets you price track all the major stores like Amazon, Costco, and Wayfair, and works for all the major browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and even Safari on iPhone.